It's possible to have multiple documents on your system, each with the same file name. If you work on those documents at the same time, it can be helpful to know where the documents are stored. This quick tip provides a few ways that you can get the information you need. It's very possible to have several Word documents open at the same time, with each document having the same name. This works as long as each document is stored in a different folder or on a different drive. The problem is, it's rather easy to get the documents confused because the only thing shown at the top of the document window is the name of the document. You can't see the path up there. If you need to know where a document is actually stored, there are several ways that you can get the desired information. The easiest method, at least if you only need to know the information once in a while, is to press F12. When you do, Word displays the Save As dialog box. The important thing, though, is that the default location offered in the Save As dialog box is the folder in which the existing file is currently saved. Once you note the location information, just go ahead and press the Escape key and you're back to your document. Another method is to click the File tab of the ribbon. In the resulting screen, you can see the most recent files on which you've worked. You can right-click on any of these files, and that displays a context menu, and you can choose this option right down here, Copy Path to Clipboard. That copies the path of the file to the clipboard. Now we can go back to the document, and I'm just going to go right down here and press Enter one time. And now I can press Ctrl-V to paste that path to the document so that I know exactly where that document is saved. The third method is similar to the last one, except that after you display the File tab of the ribbon, you want to click Info at the very left side here. Now, near the top of the screen, you can see the file name in blue. You see it here, it's Alice, and right underneath that is the path to where that document is stored. Notice as well that there are several different buttons underneath this that allow you to copy the path if you want to, share it with somebody else, or even open the file location where that document is stored. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for the free Word Tips newsletter. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.